Hello from Slovenia again. Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with some marbles and some ghosty look and simple color palette, white, gold and black. I will pour a little bit of this pearl white mixture that it's Vallejo pearl medium mixed with titanium white, and this time I mixed my colors with Overtroll, Floatroll, and this I will cover my canvas with this because I will do some swiping over and then some marble rolling. I will just play. I'm expecting some lacing and some cells from the pearl white mixture and some ghosty look too, because it kind of eats a little bit of other colors. It's kind of enamel that you use for the pearl pours, similar. Okie doke, so I want some puddles of paint. First I will torch this real quick. Air bubbles. And I want some solid color of gold in some places. And some black too. Even though that I will swipe with black and white, I want some of the solid parts too. And some white too. Oof, this one is thinner. The color that I swipe with is a little thinner than other colors. So this is just titanium white. Oof, this one is kind of thick. Yeah, now I will cover my big palette knife with black, that it's a little thinner, as I said, as other colors. All are mixed with Overtroll, Floatroll, just thinner than my colors that I have on the canvas already, and I will tilt the excess paint back to the cup, and I want to swipe through. Let's go like that. And I will use the smaller one and cover it with white, that it's thinner than other colors. I like that. I just think that I need some black on some places too. Let's do that. You know what? I want to swipe that with the white. Okay. I will put this on the spinner and spin it out. I want to stretch this part a little more, so I put it a little more to that side. Just need to correct this part a little bit. like that. Next time I will definitely go just with 2/3 and leave a negative space. But just wanted to see how this will work, and I love it. So let me take you down for a close-up. Okay, so here she is. And I really love it. Love those ghosty cells and details, and it will still develop a little bit. I just love this bottom part. I have so many ideas now, and this ghosty look, it's really so beautiful. Maybe I just need to drag this line towards the side. Beautiful. Yeah, I love it. It's kind of monochromatic, but I love it. I will not be able to show you the dried result because it's Monday and I'm filming the same day. Because I had some back problems last week and I didn't even be in the studio for a week. Yeah, love that. So dried results on Wednesday video. Have a nice day and see you again on Wednesday. Bye.